Good morning, everybody. Hey, we're just looking at, I'm actually looking at some winds right now to see the direction. We're still kind of drifting offshore this morning. Nice to have you with us, everybody. Sun's coming up. Get ready for a warmer day. Hey, make sure the dogs are good, please, outside because it is going to be a warm day inland today. 61 degrees. Look at the humidity, you guys, already down to 62%. Remember last week we talked, I said even though we don't have red flag warnings, got to be good because look what's happened, like some of the fires we spoke about, even with the winds. So,
for sure.
Yeah, just continue to treat it that way because temperatures are starting to rise up. Boy, I drove through Malibu Canyon, or Canaan actually, yesterday through the Malibu Hills. It is so green, it's beautiful, which delays things a little bit for us, but it'll all dry out. Here we go. High pressure, we're on the eastern edge of this thing. We'll continue to move through the area and over us through Wednesday. And that warming trend starts the week off, stays with us. We'll go up a couple of degrees each and every day. There's nothing excessive here, but certainly we'll see some 90s start to trend to the interior areas. So today, we'll call it 82, 83 tomorrow, 84 Wednesday. You can see temperatures go up, not a lot. Thursday, we begin to turn things around, and we'll start to feel the sea breeze. Sea breeze helps you by the beaches. That's why you guys aren't getting too hot. Valley's 88, 90, 91 on Wednesday with a nice little offshore push. But you can see by Friday, a big change in the forecast is a cutoff low. Looks like it's going to shape up and just wobble over us for a good 72 hours. Certainly cool things down. Certainly bring some marine layer in. Will you see a chance of a sprinkle? It's late in the season. These things are super hard to predict. Nonetheless, right now it looks like we'll definitely cool as we get to the weekend. For the IE today, 88. High desert's 87. And the mountains coming in at 72. Hey,